Hey everyone, welcome back to Code Crushers. My name is Martin and today I will show you how to create a professional website quickly and easily using Hostinger's website builder. Whether you are building a personal blog, a portfolio or business website, this tool makes it super simple. No coding required. So let's dive in. First, if you don't already have a Hostinger account, go to hostinger.com. I will leave the link of this website in the video description and you are going to sign up. Or if you have an account, you're going to log into your cPanel. Hostingers offers affordable plans with great features. Once you are signed up, log into your account and go to the website builder section. So here on the main page, on the home page of Hostinger, you will see different plans. You will see the premium, business and cloud startup. What I will suggest you, if you are just getting started, I would suggest you the premium. For $2.99 a month, you will get 2 months free and you are going to get a free domain and you are going to get a lot of features. So if you are just getting started, you are going to choose this plan, or if you are a professional who builds websites for businesses, you are going to choose the business plan. Click on choose the plan that you need, and as you can see, you will get to choose your period. I would suggest you go with 12 months, and as you can see, you are going to get a 75% discount if you use the link in the video description. So your total will be 35.88 and you are going to get a free domain too. Click on continue and you are going to get to choose create an account, and then you are going to complete the payment. And after doing this, you are going to click on login, and here you are going to log into your cPanel and use your credentials. Click on remember me and click on login. I suggest you, after creating your account, you enable two-factor authentication, as it will add an extra layer of security to your Hostinger account. So here you are going to be to the hpanel.hostinger.com dashboard, and as you can see, you will have a menu here where you can see your websites. Click on websites and you are going to click on add a website, and here you will get to choose between WordPress, Hostinger website builder or an empty PHP HTML website. We are going to click on Hostinger website builder, and here you will get to choose to create a custom website, or you can go with pre-made templates. For this tutorial, we are going to choose a pre-made template, as it will be easy and you can build a website under 5 minutes. Click on use pre-made templates, and here you will have all the templates. So for this tutorial, we are going to choose the Mina template, and we are going to preview this template, and we are going to customize it later to make it an electronics shop. And as you can see, here are all the content that this template has. As you can see, we have a menu, shop, all products, new collection, an about page, and at the end you will have contact, payment and delivery. We have another option to see the mobile version of the template, and here is going to be our menu, and click on start building. So you are going to enter the brand name, electronics store, and you're going to add a description, at least 30 characters. And now you're going to click on personalized template, and it's going to set up things for you, and we are going to customize everything so it can be close to what we want. So as you can see, Hostinger website builder has made something similar to what I had in my mind. It's pretty basic, and what we are going to do is to edit site, and we are going to the builder. So once we are in the builder, the drag and drop editor opens up. On the left you will see options to add elements like text, images, buttons and more. So let's start with the header. I will add the site name and upload the logo. After adding the logo, you can adjust the logo width, make it big or small. After changing the logo, we are going to set up the shop, and you're going to click on the left menu, online store, and if you want, you can add a product, and you'll get to set up your account, store, country, currency, and click on continue. So you can select if it's going to be a physical product or digital product, and if you want you can sell services and courses too. So click on physical product, and here you are going to add a description. You are going to click on add media, complete the description, the title, and for the description you can use the AI writer. As you can see, it completes the description for you. You can edit the price here to 100, and you can add a discount price, the CQ or the weight of the product, and you can also track the quantity of your product because it's a physical product. And you can add multiple options for the product, like the size or the color. And next you can add the categories, for example audio accessories, and you click on save, and this is how you can add your product. As you can see here, you'll have the list of your products that you can edit, and here you will have also categories, orders, appointments, and at the payments, which is important, you can connect your PayPal business account to let customers pay with a PayPal account. And also you can add the manual payment, which can be paying by card. So here is going to be your website. You can find it on the websites list. And as you can see, it has a temporary domain, but you can connect it later if you want to get your free domain. As you can see, we'll have some other pages like about, and here your users will find what this site is about. And also you will have a contact page. As you can see, you will have a form here which you can edit, and to edit it you just have to click on the text and click on edit text, and you can change it. And this form will be connected to your email address, and you will be able to receive contact information from your clients. You can also add other features like image galleries, maps, or buttons for social media links. As you can see, you will have text, button, gallery, subscribe, or you can add an embed code which is going to be custom HTML and CSS. Also you can add social icons, and also you can use the AI generator. As you can see, AI image generator, and you can use the AI features, for example, to create a section. As you can see, it's going to build a section for you just by describing what exactly you need. Once everything looks good, it's time to publish. Click on the publish or go live button in the top right. Hostinger will handle the technical side, and your website will be live within seconds. And that's it, you have a fully functional website. Next, you will be able to connect your domain, as I said, and you are going to click on view site to view your live site. Thanks for watching. That's how you create a website using Hostinger's website builder. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more website tips, and drop a comment if you have questions or other topics you want me to cover. See you on the next video. Peace out.